Now when you come to us for your CoolSculpting session, we first take you to the assessment room where we assess the areas that we want to CoolSculpt. We then take you to the treatment room and you can relax, watch a little Netflix, use your phone and do anything you please. The procedure starts when we cleanse your area and put a gel pad over the area. We then take the applicator and it starts sucking in your fat. You might feel a bit of a vacuum pressure, but it's nothing that you can't bear. 35 minutes later, we remove the applicator and we give you a 1-minute massage on the area.
It was my first time experience and I quite liked it. Loved the doctors, loved the staff, extremely friendly, ready to answer my silly questions as well. So I was very, very happy.